morning. How are you guys doing? How's life? It is currently 12:44 p.m. in the p.m. and we are in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I'm going to see a friend of mine, Clara, right now, just for a little bit, and then tonight the plan is to go out to dinner with my fam bam, and by fam bam, just my mom and dad, because Noah's got something to do. And then, like I said last night, we leave tomorrow for school, so yeah, it's like my last hurrah in Iowa for a while. Cool. Let's go get Clara. Clara lives in a really private road, I guess. Huh. Hey Clara, what do you think about the fact that I talk to a camera every day?
I mean, I don't know. I'm kind of caught off guard thinking about that question more. I think it's pretty cool that you have that much dedication.
Yeah, alright, we're gonna go jump on a trampoline right now. I'm gonna use my phone to record.
We're going.
We're going.
We are currently, does it have sound?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, we're currently at Sky Zone Trampoline Park.
And we're gonna go like this. Alright, so we had a change of plans because they're not open till 3:30. So we are at Pancheros, a burrito restaurant. Clara's in the bathroom. So we, I think, are going to AirFX after 4 o'clock.
Do a stick trick. Do a stick trick. Alright. Oh! Alright, throw down here.
Oh yeah, hit up the foam zone.
Am I good? Yeah.
It's recording. I can do a flip, right?
Nice, that was good.
Okay, that's
Bye.
it.
So we went to Sky Zone or someplace, and it was fun.
It was a good time.
Yeah.
It was really not. It was exercise. It was exercise.
It was fun for 15 minutes. So next time we're gonna do it buzzed.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Have fun at college.
Ah, that was fun. Clara is like one of my really good friends from camp, and I've known her since like 2010, and we've just become really good friends. And so she's the last one left in Iowa, like me, and I leave tomorrow. She leaves on Tuesday, so I figured we would hang out today, and it was really fun. I have to get back now because we need to go to dinner with my mom and dad for my last night in town. So, driving montage, start now. Alright, so I just got home and now I'm heading out again because, like I said, we're going out to dinner for my last night here. Noah's at a football game for his senior high school, and we're going to Galena again, the log cabin, but it's kind of a crappy day, so there won't be as pretty of views as there was when I went with. Oh, it's raining really hard actually.
You just unlocked the... Okay, I'm in.
We were in Florida, and it was up with that. I'm like, well, why would?
No. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. I'll let you get back to your dinner, and I'll talk to you later. Okay?
Yeah.
Says hi. Oh yeah, you didn't answer your dad's call.
Alrighty.
Are you just gonna go park in the parking lot?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, stop. All right. See you. No. Okay.
That is legit. You ready? Oppa!
Cool. It's called Saganaki. It's flaming cheese. It's really good. Now a big old burger. That dinner was muchos excelente. I very much enjoyed that dinner. It was a good last dinner with the fam bam. I gotta go grab my pillow real quick. I need to sleep with a new pillow tonight because my mom wanted me to like break it in or something. But this is the end of the vlog. Tomorrow I move into school and no, tomorrow I leave for school. Sunday I move into school. And apparently I don't start school till Thursdays. So we'll be able to adventure walk shop for a couple days. And yeah, I'm excited. So don't forget to embrace your weird. Tell a friend about this here channel on YouTube. And I will see you guys, as always, tomorrow. Peace.